Hey guys, what's up? Thanks for checking out my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the what I got for Christmas video. So just keep watching, I guess, if you want to see what I got for Christmas. I don't have that much to show, but a lot of it's just little things and stuff like that. Yeah, be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram and Twitter, and check out the description box below. Okay, so first thing I got, I'm definitely the most excited about, which is the iPhone 8 Plus in gold. This is just the box, not the actual phone because I'm using it right now. So yeah, if you guys want to see a what's on my iPhone 8 Plus, let me know and I'll do a video on that. So yeah, and I also got a case, which is being ordered right now. It's on its way. It's just a clear case because I want to be able to see like the gold through it, because I love it. It's so cute. And yeah, and then the next thing is just laying right here. It is just this $15 Starbucks gift card because I love my Starbucks. And I also got rent money. So I got money to pay my rent because I'm home over Christmas break and I'm not working, so I have zero money for rent. So yeah. So then I'm just gonna, this is just a bunch of random stuff that was in this bag. So there's this ornament, and then I have a bunch of hand warmers. I guess because they know I'm in the cold. The next thing I have is this choker, which is really cute. I like chokers, as you can see. And then I just have these cookies. And this is a charcoal konjac cleansing sponge. I really don't know what this is. It's from the brand Revive Beauty. So it's just like a sponge, I guess. I don't know what I'm supposed to like use it on, like my face, I guess. Like wash my face. So I'm gonna try this out tonight. This is cool. The next thing in there is a ring hook smartphone mount. This thing, your phone, like on the back, and like it's like a mount type thing, you know, we'll mount it up. So I'm guessing that's what it is. The next thing in here is this pair of earrings. Cute. I wanted to film this like in natural lighting, but it's gonna be like a week before I can do that. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it now. And in here is these pretzels and these chocolate covered Oreos and another ornament. So that's all that was in this little bag full of things. Oh, I also, my grandma paid for my lovely little cat to get fixed and like his shots and stuff, and to get chipped and everything, which was all really expensive. So that was her Christmas present to me. And then I also got, this bag is ripping, but I can't even hold it up. I got a bunch of cat food for my cat. This wasn't a Christmas gift, but I haven't used it yet, and I just got it, and it was given to me. So it's just this Epsom salt for like baths and stuff. So then I have another little bag here. So I got this. This came with, this was in like not a Secret Santa, it's like it was like a game that you play or something, and you just like get random gifts. So this was in one of the bags with something else that I'll show you in a second. it's just coffee. I don't have a coffee maker though, so. And then this was with it too, which I'm so excited about. So it is a Starbucks mug with hazelnut syrup and a thing of hot chocolate, and then this instant coffee. So super excited about this. And then there's also, this was actually in my brother's. He got like the same thing, which was weird. It's like these little things. It's like little chocolate balls that you put in your hot chocolate and it melts and it's awesome. So that's what was in that. That was like, I got this bag in a game. Then I have this really big bag right beside me. So I'm just going to show you everything that's in this bag. So I got these 2 pairs of these slipper socks, I guess is what they're called. So I got this gray pair and then this black pair. So these are super, super soft. This wasn't a Christmas gift. I bought this for myself today, but I thought I'd show you guys anyways. This is really, I don't want to mess up my hair. This really super cute winter hat, because I definitely wear these like every single day at school, and I really wanted a super cute one, and it was on sale. So then also in a game, I didn't win this, but my stepsister won this, and we traded because what I had won, I already own. So I just traded her for this big t-shirt that says, "I'm not lazy, I just really enjoy doing nothing." So I liked it. Then I got these socks, which are seriously so soft. It's like 3 pairs of super duper soft socks. Oh, I also got these boots, these booties that I wore today. These little maroon booties. They're super cute. The heel's not too big, which is good because I'm kind of tall, so yeah. And then this was also in like a game. I won another Starbucks thing with coffee, which is awesome because I needed one of these tumbler cups to like take my coffee and stuff to go in the mornings because I don't have time to drink it. And this is from one of my grandmas. She gave me this little animal planner, which is cute. This looks like my cat. And it's just a planner. Also gave me this cat organizer planner. It says like I love my cat and stuff in it. It's cute. I don't even think she knew that I had a cat. In this bag is also these mini dark chocolate mint star cookies. Then I got this big bag of hot chocolate. This was in a game. It's this scarf. It's like not really cute. But you put your hands in it and it warms up. Like it gets warm, so I will use it. I got this straightener. So cute. Because it is literally rose gold. And I love it. Just look at that. And I haven't gotten a new straightener since like 8th grade. So much needed because that was like 6 years ago. So I got some candy cane green tea. I drink mint peppermint tea all the time because it helps with my sinus issues. So then in here are these super soft lounge socks, and I love these. So there's a light pink, baby blue, white, and black, and I literally love these. They're so soft. They're brand Carol Hockman, and they're awesome, and I love socks like this. Oh my god, I forgot that I had this. This is so cute. It's like a headband that you wear while doing your makeup or washing your face, and I just think it's adorable. Then in here are these hot chocolates on a stick. I think that's so cute. I've never had anything like that before. There's also these Lindor Truffles, which these are my favorite brand of chocolate. I got this lip treatment duo lip scrub and lip balm with jojoba, oh, I said that wrong, oil, shea butter, and macadamia oil. So it's a lip scrub and then a lip balm. So I'm excited to try that. I'm like trying all this stuff tonight. I haven't used it yet because I wanted to make this video, so that's why I decided to do it tonight instead of waiting. I'm sorry that I'm looking like not at the camera. I'm trying to fix the lighting, but instead of waiting until next week because I'm going to use it. So I got these cocoa truffles. I told you like most of this stuff is little stuff. Like my main presents were obviously like my phone, my money for rent, and like my cat to the vet. So the next thing I got are just these nail polishes. I don't really paint my nails that often, but next is this thing that is like, it's like supposed to be like you wear it under other shirts, and it like is supposed to keep heat in really well. It's by the brand 32 Degree Heat. So it's just like this, and it's like you just wear it under other stuff to keep the heat in, and apparently it works like really well. The next is this thing by the brand Turtle Fur. And it's just like the thing, like a headband type thing that you wear like to keep your ears cold or warm. Next is also by the same brand, and it is just a little hat. Then I just got these Sour Neon Gummy Bears. Next thing, someone decided to throw in a fidget spinner, which I probably won't use it, but it's one of the metal ones, so these are really nice ones if you use them. Oh, there's also some Sour Patch Kids. And then a lovely milk chocolate bar. And this is like all from like an assortment of people, so just throwing that out there. And I just put it all in this big bag. Most of it did come in this bag from like the same person, but like some of this wasn't all from the same person. Yeah. The next thing is this really cute like hoodie, not hoodie, like sweatshirt with this neck's called like a cowl neck or something. I don't know. But you see like how it is. It's like not a turtleneck, but you know, and it's cute. So yeah. Then there's this by the brand Turtle Fur once again. It's called a turtle tube. You can use it to cover your face, cover your neck as a headscarf or a headband. So it's just this really big like purple thing. And then next is like this like cover type thing. It's like this, and it just crosses over. It just snaps open. It's pretty cool. It's everything. Oh no, it's not. And then there's just this big jar of candy, and that's everything in that bag. And I'm gonna move on to my stocking. Now on to my stocking. There was this brush in there, by the way. Just want to throw that out there. Oh, I also got a $25 Ulta gift card, which is in my purse. So I went to go spend it today, and it was literally all out. Like everything at Ulta was just out of stock, and I was like, okay, I guess I gotta order online. So the first thing I got are the second thing I guess, are these really furry black gloves. And then some gum, and I got another pack of gum also that's already in my purse. And I got these Skittles. Mostly just like candy and stuff in here. I got this little manicure kit. And I got a ton of these little Reese trees. Like, I'm just going to show you this one, but I got a lot. I got this Secret Passion de Tango deodorant. And then some Carmex. You can never have enough of that. I got these Trim and Shape brow razors. I've actually been wanting some of these, so I'm glad I got some of these. I got this popper, which I've never used one of these, but I know a lot of people do, so I don't know. I'll try it out. It's cute. It's marble. I love marble, so yeah. I got this $10 Starbucks gift card, so that's $25 that I have now for Starbucks, which is great because I never want to spend my money on coffee, so, but I love getting it. Then I got this toothbrush, and that's all that was in here. I feel like there was more that was in here, and I might have taken it out. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, that's all that I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs this video up if you want to see what's on my iPhone. Just let me know the videos you guys want to see. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my social media. See you guys in my next video.